Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name PUBG Mobile. Super easy and very quick to do. So let's get right into the video. First, open your PUBG Mobile app and log into your account. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. This is my account. So now tap on the profile icon that is on the top over here and simply click on your name and a pen like arrow on your main screen right here. If you don't see that option, simply close it and go to your inventory and go to your inventory. After that, scroll down and you will find your rename card over here. You will need a rename card to rename your name in PUBG Mobile. If you don't have the rename card or if you want to get one, you can simply buy one from the game shop using UC. It is as simple as that. After you have got the rename card, you can simply go to your inventory and click use right here and you can type your new name right at the screen. So this is the steps you need to follow. Type your new name carefully, then confirm. That's it. Your name is now updated. See, that was super easy, right? If you enjoyed this quick guide, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more PUBG Mobile tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Stay gaming.